The starry night in the heart of a bustling city, the Bennett family lived a life of affluence and prestige. Ethan and Lydia Bennett were prominent entrepreneurs, often seen at high-profile meetings, charity galas, and business trips. Their lives revolved around their careers and social engagements, leaving little room for personal interests. Their only child, Oliver, a 13-year-old with a passion for astronomy, often felt like a secondary priority in their busy lives. Oliver was a bright and imaginative teenager. His room was a mini observatory filled with star maps, astronomy books. Each evening, he would climb up to the rooftop to gaze at the stars, documenting his observations and dreams of one day unraveling the mysteries of the universe. He had been eagerly preparing for the school science fair, where he planned to showcase a project on the solar system that he had been working on for months. Despite his excitement, Ethan and Lydia rarely showed interest in Oliver's astronomy pursuits. Their conversations with him often revolved around their busy schedules rather than his passions. When Oliver invited them to the science fair, they promised they would try to attend, but a crucial business gala soon took precedence. The night of the science fair arrived, and Oliver was ready. His project was an intricate model of the solar system, complete with moving planets and an interactive stargazing app he had developed. As he set up his display, he looked around at the other projects and the eager faces of his classmates. He had spent countless hours perfecting every detail, and the fair was a chance to share his work with others. As he presented his project, Oliver felt a mix of pride and anxiety. He spoke passionately about the wonders of the cosmos and his hopes for the future. The audience was captivated by his enthusiasm and the depth of his knowledge. Despite the applause and admiration he received, Oliver couldn't shake the feeling that something was missing. He glanced around the room, hoping to see his parents, but they were nowhere to be found. A few days later, Ethan and Lydia came across an article in the local magazine about the science fair. The piece highlighted Oliver's impressive project and his innovative approach. They were struck by the detailed description of his work and the praise he received. It was clear that Oliver's talent and dedication had not gone unnoticed by the community, even though his parents had missed it. Feeling a wave of guilt and regret, Ethan and Lydia realized how much they had overlooked their son's passion and hard work. They understood that their focus on their careers had come at the cost of supporting Oliver's dreams. They knew they needed to make amends and reconnect with him. In the following days, Ethan and Lydia took deliberate steps to be more present in Oliver's life. They attended his stargazing sessions, showing genuine interest in his observations and learning about astronomy alongside him. They also made a concerted effort to balance their professional responsibilities with family time, ensuring they were there for important moments in Oliver's life. The change in their involvement had a profound impact on Oliver. He felt a renewed sense of support and encouragement from his parents. The Bennett family began to cherish their time together, finding joy in shared experiences and celebrating each other's achievements. Through this journey, Ethan and Lydia learned that true success was not measured by their professional accomplishments, but by the love and support they showed each other. The starry night of Oliver's science fair project became a powerful reminder of the importance of being present and engaged in the lives of those they loved. They discovered that the most meaningful connections and memories were made in the quiet moments of genuine attention and support. Let's learn some words from the story. Affluence, wealth, or having a lot of money and resources. Example, the city is known for its affluence, with many wealthy families living there. Prestige, respect and admiration that comes from achieving success or having high status. Example, graduating from a prestigious university can open many doors in your career. Prominent, important or well-known, standing out. Example, she is a prominent scientist in the field of environmental research. Astronomy, the study of stars, planets, and the universe. Example, many people find astronomy fascinating because it helps us understand the cosmos. Unraveling, figuring something out or solving a complex problem. Example, scientists are unraveling the mysteries of black holes in space. Intricate, very detailed and complicated. Example, the artist's painting was full of intricate patterns and designs. Cosmos, the universe, especially when it is thought of as an orderly system. Example, exploring the cosmos can help us learn more about how everything in space is connected. If you like my video, then please like and subscribe and don't forget to comment.